sipping in style with my new Sebago Sunset Tumbler, keeping me hydrated and provides a high-quality insulated water bottle collection. Made of stainless steel, BPA-free, it is double-wall, leak-proof, and vacuum-insulated. Ang ganda ng colors and designs ng Sebago Tumbler, no? Sa mga nakakakilala sa akin, nasalin ko talaga yung iced coffee ko sa Sebago Tumbler ko kasi mas tumatagal yung lamig and mas na-enjoy ko nung matagal yung iced coffee ko. Favorite ko talaga yung mga tumblers ng Sebago kasi tumatagal ng 12 hours yung hot coffee, 24 hours naman kapag iced coffee or water. What I also love about Sebago, pawisin kasi yung kamay ko. Bukod sa durable and very convenient to use siya, it is sweat-free and easy grip. It keeps my hand no sweating, easy to clean pa, and high-quality finish, kaya goods na goods sa wakan. And they have multiple colors to choose. Kita mo yan, iced coffee ko, ubus na, pero yung yellow nandyan pa rin. Ang gaganda talaga ng designs and colors, no? Hindi nakakahiyang bitbitin. Akala nga nila mamahalin mga tumblers ko from Sebago, pero mura lang yan. Ang gaganda talaga ng mga tumbler ng Sebago, panlaban talaga no? Hindi na rin siya mahirap bitbitin kasi nga may handle na. Kaya, get your Sebago tumblers na rin.